90% of people today that are suffering from memory loss say that it's a genetic problem, a situation where that it was probably caused by age, and there's nothing to do about it. And this is absolutely not true. I can guarantee there's probably something you're doing every single day at home that is messing up your memory, and it's good for you to know about it, because if you don't know the cause, you can't find a solution. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what is causing your memory loss and what things you can do to naturally reverse it without anything you can imagine that is expensive but actually cheap to do every single day. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandevar.com. If you're new to this channel and you like these type of subjects, don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. These videos will help you a great deal with your health, memory loss, any situation you can think of, and sometimes with the things I say could even save your life. So don't forget to smash that like button and let's continue. Memory loss is a very common situation. It's something that thousands, I'd say more than millions of people suffer every single day. And you go to the doctor and they'll just tell you, you know what, it's just an age problem, maybe it's genetics, there's nothing you can do about it. And this is absolutely and categorically not true. There are many things that you might be doing every single day that are just messing up your memory and the function of your brain. That's why you're feeling sometimes brain fog, or you can't think straight. There are very common things that you might be doing every single day that are just messing up your brain health. So having said that, let's dive into these causes and figure out how to solve them. Number one, you might have a nutritional brain deficiency. This is so important, and not many people think about this, but every single organ in our body needs certain types of nutrients. But your brain needs nutrients. It really does need nutrients in order to stay healthy. We can start by saying that your brain needs oils. It needs natural, good, essential oils. Not even essential, just normal oils like olive oil. Like, for example, omega-3 fatty acids. If you want, you can add some coconut oil, avocado oil. Oils are extremely important for the brain to function, and on top of this, we have to remember that it needs vitamins like vitamin B12, B vitamins in general, vitamin D, folate, magnesium, calcium, iron very specifically, because if you do not have enough blood, there's no way your brain can actually regenerate, because there's no irrigation to carry all these nutrients that now you are consuming. Metathyroid, multivitamin, D enzymes, probillion from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number two, if you do not have any physical activity, there's no way irrigation can reach properly your brain. Everything you do in your body, everything needs a good irrigation system. It needs oxygen, it needs nutrients, and we just talked about the nutrient part, and that's great, but we need to reach our brain, which is at the top of our head, obviously at the top of our body, and it needs to happen because we are actually stimulating circulation when we walk, when we exercise, when we lift weights, when you do some type of physical activity that helps your blood be pumped all the way up to your brain. Obviously, it has a lot to do with just circulation. There are endorphins being produced by your muscles. There's lactic acid. There's a pressure situation that is happening and circulating all around your system. And irrigation really gets better to your brain when you have some physical activity. So if you're one of those people who is sitting down all day long, you're not having that physical activity you need, don't blame it on age. Do not blame it on genetics. Blame it on yourself. You are not exercising, and therefore you're actually just accelerating that brain damage. Look for something that can help you out to improve that circulation, something like On Cardio, Vein Flow, VascuCare, something like Appleizer from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number three, insulin resistance is not only for your entire body, but most specifically for your brain. Once you start to gain weight, you are eating too many carbs, too much sugar, you're actually becoming resistant to insulin, and therefore your cells are not taking advantage of what you're eating. Obviously, your tissues don't want more sugar, so they are putting a stall to it, and this becomes a problem. This is when you start to see that your brain does not have enough energy to function. You start to see brain fog, memory loss, memory problems. You can't think straight. You can't even wake up in the morning and feel energized because you know there's something that is just on top of you, feeling like there's always clouds in your brain or clouds in your house or whatever you're experiencing every day. And this is what causes brain fog. This is what causes sometimes memory problems. Stay away from sugar. Stay away from insulin resistance. Exercise. Make sure that you can drop and make sure that your body actually use that insulin to make your brain strong, well functioning, and make sure that the entire body is reacting to sugar, to food, and what you're eating. If you can't do this, well, get some help. Get supplements that can fix the problem, things that you can take every day to actually fix this insulin resistance and see an improvement in memory loss, an improvement in brain function. Something like Burr Brain, something like CurQ Health, Neuromatrix, Neuroflex from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 4, the lack of deep focus and that social isolation might be causing your problem. Your brain also is the same way. They are actually cells that need to grow, and they grow when you stimulate them. Now, if you're not stimulating in any way your brain, you're going to have a decrease in brain function because you don't need that brain in order for you to see that lucid way you're actually looking for. So if you're lacking deep focus, if you're not having attention or attention span towards anything or encoding in any way or consolidation of memory in any sense, you're going to see memory loss, and that memory loss is going to grow fast. This is why we see so many young people, so many kids can't even focus. They have ADHD, they have memory problems. But remember, they're looking at that cell phone for 2 seconds every single TikTok that they're scrolling, and they're doom scrolling. They're actually damaging their brain in ways you can't even imagine. They have no way of even focusing on something for more than a minute or 2 minutes. Nobody is reading, nobody's watching or thinking about something deeply, and therefore their brain is just, let's say, just like a nut or a peanut that doesn't really have any action towards a deep focus or a deep thinking like we should be able to have. Remember this. This is extremely important, not only for you, but for younger generations. And if you can help in any way, you're going to do a great deal of good to society. So much that it can change a generation. Look for something that can help you out, something that can help you focus, something like Neuroflex, Burr Brain, CurQ Health, Neuromatrix, or Metathyroid from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 5, if you're sleeping but not resting, you have a big problem. Your body works 16 hours a day and it has to rest 8 in order to regenerate. Now, a lot of people are going to bed and having nightmares. They can't rest. They can sleep all right, but they're not resting. They have all types of nightmares at night. They're thinking all night long. They're imagining their life maybe of what it has to be, what it used to be, what's happening during the day. They wake up in the morning, they feel completely exhausted. Well, guess what? Your brain has been working for 16 hours before you went to bed and 8 hours during your sleep. You're not resting. You are sleeping, but you're not resting. And you are degrading your memory, destroying that brain function, and making sure that none of this is working properly. And then you're asking yourself the question and going to your doctor and asking him, hey, why am I losing my memory? Well, you might want to start with that restful night of sleep. Make sure that you can use something to help you out. Something like melatonin, 5-HTP, which will help you stop thinking at night during sleep. Something like Q-Calm, Magnezide, Neuromatrix, all of these might help. Don't forget to give us your like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember that memory loss might not be something genetic, but most importantly, something that you're doing every day that nobody has told you about until today. God bless you and take care.